awan ni Children Hospital, awan dawai di dokter kita. Di dawai tang sebenarnya ngala armet ya asal tu ba ini kita dawai jadi dokter kita kita rekam ya di tang sebenarnya adalah tadon menu-menu di Papua penulis dawai ini dokter kita ya sawan hanya Children Hospital di dokter kita IVF kita kawan sisin sebenarnya buat gawati
Habai keran bikin pathai kubor hadian belawai ke Jingelang. Chief Executive Member ka KHADC uba peniat sing CM mulai tu, baka KHADC kelatrua banbha eka gran ka ba 8,000 spa asopway point Sansau Klur Tengka. Ka Janta Hills Autonomous District Council kelatrua banbha 6,000 khatkandai point Ndreu North Klur Tengka. Baka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kelatrua banbha 1,000 sopwar point Lai North Klur Tengka. Ulang bagajing ekran kelalong ke Besaiso bagi District Council kila ajing mud ban aino kambon ka untied grant. Nadok ke senam ke Banwan, namar baga Finance Commission ke Bakatsan kala ai kambon ka tight grant. Kila kerpat rui ke Commission ban peti kena baga song tengka ba ai dek sorkar pedeng segi District Council ke dibaniat lengba katana Development of North Eastern Region donor ne na ke North Eastern Council. Na katanat Panchayati Raj. Uba peniat sing siam mulaong bagi District Council kila penpau bagi lasyak kata jurba namar kejengkang ke National Green Tribunal ya ke kamti doyong ha kejela hak ni kishpos nem ki belalit no. Bat ki District Council kishanya leng baga bahak kajana ni marpok kendo. Kumtai kila ai jengmut ke Commission ha ke ban ai grand lam ban peniat ki kam ki jam baman la ke sengi jeng ki Council hapo ke Revenue Deficit Budget Grant jong ke sarkar pedeng.
And today meeting was very fruitful. All the three ADCs, we have jointly signed a memorandum and submitted to the Honorable Chairman and the team of the 16th Finance Commission. And there are three very major important points that we highlighted today, since we didn't get time also to brief a lot. Number one is that the recommendation of the 16th Finance Commission to all the ADCs in Meghalaya, from next year onward, more grants should be for untied grants. Not like in the 15 finance, they have given more on tied, basically which they categorize the tied grant, which will be used mainly for water related projects or health and sanitation project. Through experience, we find that it's very difficult for us if they have kept like separate categorization of funds to be used. Sometimes we need other projects like for development of schools, colleges, or for community buildings or whatever, but we have to concentrate on other issues. So for us not to contradict on this implementation of schemes, development scheme, we have suggested or requested the 16th Finance Commission to grant us to be more flexible on untied grant, so that untied grant we can use for any other developmental activities proposed by the village head or the Nokamas or the Ilakas or whatever. And number two, we have requested the chairman 16 Finance Commission that recommendation from this new commission to ADCs regarding funding, it should not come anymore through the line ministry existing MOPR, Ministry of Panchayati Raj, because till now recommendation to release the fund through 15 Finance Commission, it has to come through MOPR, which we are not under MOPR. In fact, we are under 6th Schedule Article 244. Just a break-up summary of the proposal from all three ADCs. Number one, KHDC submitted a total proposal for 5 years, which is amounted to 2,641 crore 54 lakhs. And from Garo Hills Autonomous District Council submitted a proposal amounted to 5,042.30 crores. 5,042 crores 30 lakhs. And Jainti Hills Autonomous District Council submitted a proposal amounted to 1,019.60 crores. So all together, and we add the ADC's 2% contingency charges, that is from the total, that is 174 crores, which comes to a total of 8,877 crore 51 lakhs.